Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this unboxing, special unboxing from UAG. Something I wanted to share with all of you. Appreciate your time and your support. Yeah, special huge shout out, man. This is a big box with a lot of cases and a couple extra gifts. Yes, obviously I opened it up, ripped it right in here. You have my my Project 13 exposed right there. UAG S22 Ultra cases. A lot of cases. I was just blown away, man. Wow. Just blown away. But anyway, yeah, I wanted to share these cases with all of you. You're going to be seeing a lot of videos coming your way. I do have the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra replica device here, so I am going to review one case really quick. It's going to be really quick, but you're going to have to stay tuned for a lot more coming your way with these cases. A lot of different reviews. So for a lot of you bringing in the S22 Ultra, you're going to get a sneak peek at what's going to be out there waiting for you to protect your investment. So let's go ahead and get into the box here. Back there you see that built for you to go further. UAG strong is beautiful, and I have a card here. UAG, let us know how we did on these new S22 Ultra cases. Thanks for all the support. They're thanking me for support? No, man, I thank you for the support, UAG. Wow, seriously, I'm honored. Samsung Galaxy 5G S22. I have the Ultra. So for those of you that are bringing in the Ultra, this is what you're going to get a preview of with these cases here in this box. But they're also going to have a lot of these cases for the S22 and the S22 Plus. So you can go and check out their website. I'll have that information down below in the description area. And there's the lineup right there. And I'm thinking all of these cases are in this box. Very nice. All right, and with that being said, let's push the box back a little further. And you have the Monarch series. Beautiful. Okay, I'm just going to give you a glimpse, man. You're going to have to watch the videos that are going to be coming your way here soon. When I receive my S22 Ultra around the 25th of this month, February. Got the Civilian series. Okay, I'm not going to go too in depth. And here we have the Lucent Clear Pink Case 12-foot drop protection. Okay, that's all you're going to see. You're going to have to wait. I'll go over a little bit here. Here we have the Pathfinder series, Camel Black. It's a good looking case, man. UAG biodegradable, updated material and design, responsible protection Outback series, and that is nice. Pathfinder series. Now you're familiar with a lot of what's going on here in design, but where it's different is where the camera layout is with all of these cases, and I'm totally digging what UAG went ahead with as far as changing up this area there visually, the look, and you're going to have a lot of protection for that specific area, so you can take great quality pictures and shoot great quality videos. The Plasma series here, you're going to have plenty of depth. Man, you're going to get everything, man, looks and protection. But again, more importantly, the protection. Here we have the Monarch series, hard shell back. And here we have the Plio series. Great looking series. And what else? I got a UAG card. I can use this code to purchase something else that I may want to pick up over at the UAG website. And then here, I got this little flashlight to attach to my key ring for my car. Bam! Yeah, that's nice.
And there we go. I guess I'm just going to put everything back in, man. And I think that I'm going to, let me see, which one should I want to, which one am I going to, let's go with this one. Let's go with the
Monarch series here with the replica Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. All right, so what I'm going to do is remove this huge box. Have these cases ready for a lot of different videos coming your way. Wow. Look at that depth. Okay. The top and bottom of the S22 Ultra are going to be completely flat. Corners are going to be a lot sharper than the S21 Ultra. Those corners were a little bit more rounded. Where is that? I can show you right here. You can see the roundness there, all four corners. And again, let me just take this off really quick and then we can get a better look at it. And you can see how flat the top and bottom are in the corners, not as rounded. Okay. So you got a recessed area here for your combo speaker and earpiece, front facing camera there. A lot of corner protection. Those little areas there, like a metallic red, just to give this case a little extra some. Hard shell back, UAG brand name, and look at all that depth surrounding those cameras. Man, that is just bold. You let me know what you think. Yeah, that gets the whistle. Totally digging that design. That is just so cool. Corners protrude out for that drop protection. Honeycomb texture on the sides. Power button, volume rocker, nicely covered up. You can see the plus and minus symbol there. Little ridge there on the power button, so you can feel that area, especially when they're that close together. Wouldn't have minded if it was a little further down here. If Samsung would have, put the power button just right down in here and gave that area a little more space. Honeycomb texture on the other side. Up top, cut out for your mic there, and down below, cut out for the USB Type-C charging port area, and a mic right next to that area. Cut out right there for your speaker grill, and a cutout right there for the S Pen. Obviously, I can't push that pin out because this is a replica device and it's not going to come out, but you can see all the protection that area is going to get. A lot of depth there, but plenty of space to allow those areas to do what they need to do. And that is just gorgeous. Wow. Let me know what you think. You're going to have a lot of lip at the bottom, a lot of lip up top, and just a little bit of lip right down on the sides, on both sides, right and left hand side. Just about even with the display, because you're going to have a slight curve on the S22 Ultra display, but you're going to have most of that protection here at the bottom and at the top. So when you're on a flat surface, or if the surface is a little bit rough, you're going to have a little bit of a gap here and a little bit of a gap on this side because of the lip that is up top and at the bottom, and how much more lip you have in that area in comparison to the sides. So that's this area here with that gap is going to bring the display up above the surface, and that's good. So flat surface, obviously a lot better. Rough surface, no, but please use your discretion. Anyway, there we go. Thanks so much for sharing this special unboxing. Again, UAG, thank you so much. Super stoked. Looking forward to the S22 Ultra. And yeah, stay tuned, man. Do not go away. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified when I upload content for you and others to watch. and share these videos on your social media. Peace, God bless, stay safe and healthy.